As a student with a limited budget, how can I learn AI automation and freelancing without paying for expensive API keys? And what skills should I focus on learning deeply and what can I learn later? First of all, Yash, thanks a lot for asking this question. I think this is a really crucial one which is not being answered around the AI automation YouTube community. And I understand where are you coming from. Like initially, I was hesitating a lot in terms of paying each and every dollar to all these companies who are providing API keys. Like at one point I was having my credit card number on so many different websites that it was so hard to track, and all these companies were charging me money here and there, and I was spending so much on API keys. And later I actually recognized the pattern and I was like, okay, we don't need to like spend a lot. We can definitely do things for a lot lesser budget. Definitely you can start with zero if you're just starting. As I can see, you're just beginning your journey. Kudos to that, man. You're doing great. You are getting into a field which is having a really high demand. And I don't want you to focus a lot on AI videos and UGC stuff, because they are a brilliant market, but they are not for you, because the API keys over there, they are freaking damn expensive and you don't even need to like see the rates as of now. Focus more towards automating business process, focus more on learning how to actually problem solve. And by problem solving, I don't mean like go to solve puzzles and do all these maths things that the university taught you. By problem solving, I mean go into any business, be it your local business, be it your friend's business, and see what kind of tasks are they doing repeatedly, what kind of tasks they are doing daily that can be automated now with AI. For example, have they hired a social media manager and all they do is like post everything on all the platforms? Just make an automation that posts everything on all platforms and they will fire their social media manager. If they shift a lot of data between A and B platform and they do it manually, build an automation that can do it for them. You get the idea, right? You have to see what they are doing, you have to analyze what they are actually spending their time and money on, and then go into their business, say like, hey, I can actually solve it, and then solve it. This is where your major time should be spending on, and you should not be spending time on learning new tools, learning about her message, and learning about APIs, learning about video generation. Those all things, they are good, but they come later. The first thing you need to do is to bring in cash flow, bring in some money so that you can pay for those APIs in order to learn them. And for the softwares, I would not suggest you to go with Claude Code. It's way better that you learn with Gemini, and you can use that on Anti-Gravity IDE. I have made a video on it. It's way cheaper. Google is way generous with their limits, and you can build a lot of stuff. Like all the initial stuff that I built on this channel was built by Google's Anti-Gravity. So definitely go with that. And if you have some spare budget to spend on, go with OpenCode. They are like a $5 subscription and they provide you a lot of models at a very cheap rate, so you can go with that instead of paying to Claude like $25 a month. I hope it's gonna help you on your journey.